Mistplay and Giraffe both let you cash out rewards from playing mobile games, but the time it takes to reach a payout depends on how each app structures points, game availability, and reward pacing. By the end, you'll understand how long it usually takes to reach redemption in each app, what slows that process down, and which one typically feels faster depending on how often you play. Mistplay redemption time depends on how quickly you earn units from playing selected games. You build units by staying active in games and progressing through in-game milestones. The time to cash out depends heavily on how many games are available, and how long their reward tracks stay active for you. Giraffe redemption time depends mostly on how long you can continuously play eligible games. You earn coins through time-based gameplay, and your cash-out speed depends on how many active game offers you rotate through. Mistplay can feel slower at the beginning if you only stick to one game, because early progress is steady, but not always fast enough to reach redemption quickly without switching games. Giraffe can feel faster early on because you can jump between multiple games and keep earning coins without needing deep progression in a single title. Mistplay becomes more efficient when you rotate between games strategically. Once rewards slow down in one game, switching to another keeps your unit accumulation moving toward redemption. Giraffe becomes slower when high reward game offers are limited. If fewer eligible games are available, your coin earning rate can drop until new offers appear. Mistplay redemption speed is also affected by how long games stay active in their reward system. If a game stops tracking progress for rewards, your earning pace naturally slows. Giraffe redemption speed is affected by offer rotation. When new games appear, you can accelerate progress, but when rotation slows, so does your cash-out timeline. Effort level also impacts redemption time. Mistplay requires more attention to which games still give meaningful progression. Giraffe requires more frequent switching between available games to maintain steady earnings. Time investment differs too. Mistplay rewards longer focused sessions in fewer games. Giraffe rewards shorter sessions spread across more games. Risk is not financial in either app, but both depend on game availability, which means your redemption speed can change without warning based on how offers rotate. Quick summary. Mistplay redemption is driven by structured game progression that can feel slower but steadier. Giraffe redemption is driven by flexible gameplay across rotating offers that can feel faster at first but less stable over time. If you want consistent long-term progression toward payouts, Mistplay feels more stable. If you want quicker early progress with frequent game switching, Giraffe can feel faster. If this helped, like and subscribe for more clear comparison breakdowns like this.